Trying to find food, so we've been looking through vending machines to find change, food.
All right.
You see that luscious little haiku right there?
Yeah, man.
Oh, frick.
Oh my god. Okay.
You see that right there?
Yes. After you just fell. Yes. All right. I see it. Okay.
My own money.
All right. Go.
I bet. You see this one right there?
Yeah.
You see that money? This is
Let's
2020 material.
All right.
Send me.
Yeah. Or we could just stick our hand in it.
You see my hand? You see my hand? Frick, I'm gonna get my hand stuck. It's a little wiggly man. It's a wiggly man. Yeah, I can't get it. It's just kind of drinks.
I mean, I could just do it. Do you see my finger?
I know, yeah.
Well, go get it then.
Get it? I don't know about you, but I like to enter the hard way.
All right, bet.
Alright, bet. Ready? Starting off with the legs.
All right.
Yes. It's all about the strap. All about the strap. Alright, never mind.
Change. Spare change, anyone? Spare change.
My crib? Alright, empty Noah cribs.
Bet.
Turn left. No, wrong way. Other way. Let's go.
Alright.
Walk down this hallway. You see me? Watch me touch that right now.
Alright, bet. Go.
Ready? Big hops. Yo! One more time.
Alright, go. Go.
Nah.
What?
Yo guys! What's up everybody? It's your boy Noah and I'm with Jared again.
What's good?
Okay, yeah, so this is now the lounge. Yeah, look at that. And we haven't used this camera since like 2018? 2018? Does that sound right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go to the vending machine and see how much they've changed.
I bet.
As you can see, the floor is completely different than it was before. And as we walk down this pathway,
Oh,
we're
wait.
in a room too.
Get the studio.
Oh my, wait.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Look.
Oh.
Look.
Wow,
We're
bro.
just standing right here.
Yeah?
This is us now, bro.
Oh my gosh.
My gosh, Josh shrank even more. Look at that.
Oh, you have a video?
Okay, now let's go back to the vending machine.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, let's see if we can do the trick that we did a long time ago.
Okay.
Will you open that shit?
Bro, shut your racket.
Okay, so
Yo, you're dumb. You're dumb. You actually
open it yourself?
Oops. Turns out the trick from 2018 worked. Now let's see.
Motherfucker, you're so dumb.
As you can see my hand.
Noah! What are you doing? Are you trying to steal?
I'm not.
Oh! Caught in 4K Ultra HD.
The video you were dancing.
Bro, you broke it.
I broke the other vending machine.
Dude, it's like
Look,
opening and
if
closing.
I say open, I'll open.
Bro, dude, close that up, bruh.
Okay, the end.